Yeah.
I use Mac Updater to keep up with the updates available to my M4 Mac Mini. Let's use today as an example. In my menu bar, Mac Updater indicates there are 17 updates available, so I click on it and see that 3 apps needed an update are outside of the Mac App Store, but 14 updates are available from apps installed via the Mac App Store. So I pick one of the apps from the App Store, and that, of course, launches the Mac App Store and starts the update on the selected app. I then click on Update All in the Mac App Store to presumably update the remaining 13 apps needing an update. I let this run, and every time without fail, it does not actually update all 13 of the remaining apps that need an update. Let's say it updates 11 of them. That still leaves me with 2 apps needing an update from the App Store. Despite picking Update All, it does not. I have to then go to each of the 2 remaining individually and manually press Update for each. Any idea as to why this happens? Definitely not a major issue, but frustrating nonetheless. I can only assume it's due to some stale cache, etc. And as always, thanks for all you do. I genuinely look forward to each and every episode of your show, even those that feature moi. I
love it.
Thanks, Rob. Love you, brother. Happy Turkey Day to you.
I have some thoughts on this. Adam, do you want to? Do you want me to take it? Or do you want to take it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So I have seen this from time to time. However, I see it less frequently now, and it might have something to do with a habit that I've gotten into. When I go into the Mac App Store app on my Mac and go to updates, it will show me updates. It doesn't necessarily show me all of the updates, though. And if I wait long enough, it might. But you can force it to actually check for active updates by hitting Command-R, just like you would for a refresh of a page in your browser. The Mac App Store really is just a customized web browser. Yeah, so there's your bonus quick tip, right? And that will refresh the list, often bring more things in. But what I'm wondering is if either that is happening to you, or maybe there's like an old, I don't know, like that page is not necessarily the most current version of that page. So if there's been a second update to an app since that page got there and you go to click it and it's going to update to an older version or something, I don't know. But I do know that making that page the most recent version that it could be by hitting Command-R before clicking Update All mitigates this substantially, if not completely. There are times where an app just won't update or something, and it's well, just wait and reboot or something. But that's my offer for this.